Hello friends, welcome to the party. Drew here. We are hanging out in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, and working on a couple of projects here. Customer had a problem where the pipe broke in the wall behind their toilet, and that caused water to go across the bathroom floor and down the wall into the office and den space down below, causing all kinds of water damage to the ceiling and the wall and the drywall tape. And so we're fixing all of that for them and putting in a new bathroom floor. And I was sitting here working on the back of the baseboards, and I realized that maybe we haven't shared with you why, that you should paint the back of the baseboards and why, and how that can help prevent damages in the future. So I'm just working on getting the second coat here on the back of the baseboard. Now, why in the world would you paint the back of the baseboard? Because nobody's ever going to see that. Why would you paint the bottom of the baseboard? Because nobody's going to see that either. So what they had in there before was, this is MDF. It is basically sawdust and glue. And same thing, this piece of quarter round, just MDF, garbage stuff. And when it gets even the least bit wet, this stuff starts to swell on the edge and it'll bubble out the front, and there's really nothing you can do. I mean, you can try to sand it, but it's not going to sand nice. You can try to wood putty it, it's not going to wood putty nice. So I refuse. 𝗗𝘂𝘀𝘁 Construction will not use MDF trim in your house, period, end of conversation. So why am I painting the back of the baseboard? Well, I'm really glad you asked. We're going to put in what's called prime finger jointed, PFJ. It's real wood, and they've attached it and taken small sections of it and put it together because it's, they can use smaller pieces of lumber that way. But the reason we're going to paint the back and the reason I'm going to paint the bottom, and we're putting two coats on, is because the next time one of the kids leaves the shower curtain out and they don't tuck it in and they got water coming across the floor, and that water inevitably reaches the edge of the vinyl or the tile, whatever you have there, and comes in contact with this baseboard, I want a nice coat of semi-gloss paint, not only on the front of the baseboard where you can see it, where it's pretty, but I also want that on the bottom and on the back side of the baseboard, at least the bottom 2 inches, to protect it from that water damage, from it soaking into the lumber, causing the lumber to swell, causing those finger joints to pull apart, and prematurely damaging what we've just finished putting in. So now that I've got 2 coats of paint on the back side, now I can focus on getting a nice, pretty second coat here on the front. In front of the shower, we're going to use this piece of quarter round, which is PVC. That's plastic. We don't ever have to worry about that having any water damage. And a lot of times people say, well, why do you paint it first? Why not paint it after it's in place? Because you're going to gun it on and there's going to be nail holes. You're going to fill the nail holes. Here's what I found. The time it takes me to crawl along the floor and do very detailed edging work where I'm running my brush right up against the edge and trying not to get it on the brand new vinyl floor, it's a lot faster for me to pre-paint this stuff outside. And then once we get it nailed to the wall and we do the nail filling and the paint, all I have to do is come back and touch up that little spot right there where the nail was, and I don't have to spend all that time crawling along the floor trying not to get it on your brand new linoleum, vinyl, or tile that we put down. So it's a time saver on that part. So that's why I like to paint the back side of the boards and the bottom of the boards. We say it's not just done, it's coat built. Part of that means that it's going to last a little bit longer. It's going to hold up a little bit better than if it was just done, as quickly as could be. Does it cost a little bit more time? Yes. Do I charge you a little bit more for that? Yes. But if your kids accidentally let the shower run and the water gets out on the floor, wouldn't you rather have it done that way so that you know that your brand new baseboard isn't going to be ruined in 6 months because the kids got a little careless or didn't know better? So that's why we paint the bottoms and the back of the baseboards. If you've got a problem we can solve for you, we're all about the home renovations, the kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, finished basements, building you an addition, putting a garage outside the house. We'll build you a custom dream home if you like. Norm's built 250 custom houses before we hired him in, and he's got a lot of experience in that realm, and we would love to assist you with that one-off custom home, so you're not getting something cookie cutter that's like the whole neighborhood. If you've got a plot of land, or we've even got some people that can help you find land if that's something that you're looking for. Trying to get you out of that HOA, so you've got a little more freedom to do what you want, how you want. We can help you with that stuff as well. And of course, the home repair emergencies that come up. The bathroom leak that comes down in the dining room and the kitchen, and now you need dry that in 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 and 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 and all those types of situations. Give our office staff a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Phone numbers 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. And our office staff will be happy to assist you 5 days a week, 9:30 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, the fastest way to reach us is here on Facebook Messenger, right through our business page. We ask you to give us a like, comment on some of these posts, check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all those places. You can follow us there as well, and keep up with all the fun that we've got going on. If you've got a project that you'd like some assistance with, if you've got a home renovation you want to get started, if you've got a home repair emergency that we can help you with, give our team a call, 484-748-0008, and we will be happy to work with you and get you on the schedule. We got a whole virtual estimate system where you can send us pictures either via email or through the Facebook page. That way our whole team can take a look and see what's going on, and we'll get you a ballpark price based on that. We'll talk about your target renovation budget, and then the proposal or consultation fee to get our team out there to meet with you to go over the final specifics for your project. So this is Drew in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, painting away, getting some baseboard ready for the bathroom. We can help you solve a problem. Give us a call. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're finished with it, it's not just done. It's coat built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks for joining us today. Bye for now.